Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Reuben. Reuben joined our funded trader program on the 1st of November and hit his first 10% target on the 21st of January. So very well done, Reuben. Congratulations on your first target. And now let's have a look at your equity line to see how the journey with us has been so far. So the first thing I would like to notice here is how Reuben never went in negative territory. In fact, we can see how since he started in the beginning of November, it just went one way up towards his 10%. And we can see here how on the first week of December, by the 9th of December, it was up 8% on his account, 7.99%. Then something happened. He was really close to hit his first 10% in December. Then something happened and he started to lose on his account. And in fact, we can see here in the beginning of January, he was back on 4% on his account, and again here by the 18th of January, he was down. It was almost 3.45% on his account. Then he straight away recovered in just a few days, actually, because from the 18th of January, it just took him 3 days to reach his 10% target on the 21st. So very well done, very good beginning of the new year for Reuben. Very good. So let's have a look at the statistics. We have here an average daily return of 0.12%, very good, a monthly return of 3.50%, of course, on average, and here we have a trailing drawdown of 5.01%. I mentioned trailing because actually it is from profits. In fact, we mentioned that already. It never went in negative territory. So very good, very well done. Let's have a look also at the advanced statistics. 249 position opened with a profitability rate of 44%. A bit low, but let's have a look at the average win and loss. And yes, there we go. We have an average win of 50 pips and an average loss of only 14 pips. This is really important because it's telling us that he has a very high risk to reward ratio. For this reason, even if his profitability rate is below 50%, so it is a little low, he still managed to be profitable over time. Very good. Let's have a look at his best trade and his worst trade. So we have here on the 21st of January, when he hit his first 10% target, he realized his best trade, both in terms of pips and in terms of dollars. In fact, we can see how he gained $438 with 203 pips. Very good. While his worst trade in terms of dollars was on the 19th of November, where he lost $144. While in terms of pips, we have here the 9th of November, when he lost 50 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair, if any, he focused the most on his trading. And we can see here 50 position opened on the Aussie yen. He gained $1,155, pips, resulting in $582 gained. Very good. Also here we can see 20 position open on the Euro Aussie. He gained 938 pips, resulting in a profit of $678. Very good. And also we want to mention here, for example, Euro New Zealand, 27 position opened. He gained 759 pips, resulting in a gain of $539. Very good, very well done. Let's also have a look at the negative side. And we have here 28 positions on the New Zealand yen. He lost 161 pips on this pair, losing altogether $428. Also here we can see 13 position on the Euro Yen. He lost just 32 pips, resulting in $245 lost on this one. Okay, very good. Let's have a look at the history to see if you respected the lot size available for him since he joined. And yes, we can see how from the beginning, when he joined on the 1st of November, he was keeping the lot size very small. You can see here 0.07, 0.05, 0.01, 0.4, 0.04. So he was keeping the lot size quite low on his account. And still we start to see 0.15, 0.10, 0.35 here. So it was starting to increasing that a bit, but not very much actually. We still see low number in terms of lot size on his account. Okay, and yeah, by the end we can see it was starting to increase the lot size, of his trading, of his positions. And here on the 21st of January is when he hit his target and is now managing the $30,000 account. Okay, very good, very well done. Let's have a look also at the average trade length, 7 hours and 42 minutes. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. Very good. So we can see how the majority of his position are below 15 hours. Few of them were held for longer, 1 day roughly, and we still see negative position. But all the position that he held for longer than 1 day, no more than 2 days anyway, are all positive positions. So very good, very well done. This is something that we always want to mention, as it's really, really important to cut the losing trade short. Okay, Reuben, very well done, and I look forward to do the second review for your account.